be teaching you guys how to do a wave stitch. I am using a 5mm hook, and then I am using 100% acrylic yarn. This stitch is made with a multiple of 11 plus 2, so I'm going to do 33 plus 2, which is 35. That will be my starting chain. So first we start with a slip knot. And then I'm going to chain 33 plus 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 32, 33. And I'm going to add 2. So 1, 2. And then second chain from the hook. So right here, we are going to make two single crochets into that second chain. So 1, and then 2. Then we are going to make 4. We're going to single crochet in the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to skip 2. So 1, 2. And then we're going to place a single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we are going to place 3 single crochet into the next stitch. So 1, 2, 3. And this creates the top wave part. So we're going to place 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to skip 2, 1, 2, and then place 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to place 3 single crochets into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3. Then 4 single crochet into, well, 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then we are going to skip 2. So 1, 2. In the next 4 stitches, we'll place 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and then 4. In the last stitch, we'll place 2 single crochets. So 1, and then 2. This is what your first row will look like. Then we chain 1, turn. In this first stitch, we'll place 2 single crochets. So 1, and 2. In the second stitch, we'll place 1 single crochet into the next 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we'll skip these 2, 1, 2, and then place 1 single crochet into the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, then we'll place 3 single crochets into the next. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1 single crochet into the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip these 2. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 3 single crochets into the next. 1, 2, 3, and then 1 single crochet into the next 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we skip these 2, and then 4 single crochets, 1 single crochet into the next 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And at the end, beginning and the end, we always place 2 single crochets into the first and in the last. So let's place it down. So 1 and 2. And that is how you make a web stitch. And you just keep doing that. Repeat. So you'll make 2 single crochets in the first, then 4 single crochets, skip, 4 single crochets, 3 single crochets, 4, skip, 4, and then you just keep repeating. And that is how you make a wave stitch. I use the wave stitch for my ski mask, like. Really cute. Full tutorial will be on my members only, so go check that out. And then I will have a written pattern soon. I need testers, so I will, once I have all my testers and everybody has tested it, then I will put it on my coffee shop. But the tutorial will be on my coffee shop members only tomorrow. So thank you for watching.